Hello everyone, welcome to today's edition of the Bottomline. Here are the top headlines.
Cyprus to restart sea link with outside world after a gap of 21 years. China says tourist visa to remain suspended. Airline profitability brighter as recovery gathers pace. ICAO Assembly must set goal to decarbonize aviation. Airfare hike. Airlines demand immediate relief measures, reiterates inclusion of ATF under GST. Air India to procure over 200 new planes, 70% to be narrow-bodied jets. After a long gap of 21 years, Cyprus has re-established regular sea link with the rest of the world. The launch of a ferry from the port of Limassol, Cyprus to Greece marked the occasion. This sea link will be beneficial for both the countries in terms of tourism and economy. Addition of modern ships on this route means more comfortable sailing experiences for the travelers. October 2001 was the last time when there was any sea link between Cyprus and Greece. China's embassy in India has updated its COVID-19 visa policy after hiatus of 2 years. Reportedly, China has now lifted the visa ban imposed on Indians and announced that it plans to provide visas to Indian professionals and their families who have not been able to travel back to China due to the pandemic. This move comes as a big relief for Indian professionals and their families who have been stuck back home since 2020. Last month, as per the reports, a number of Indian professionals based in China urged External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar to press Beijing to allow their standard families to return. The International Air Transport Association announced an upgrade to its outlook for the airline industry's 2022 financial performance as the pace of recovery from the COVID-19 crisis quickens. Forecast highlights include industry losses are expected to reduce to $9.7 billion for a net loss margin of minus 1.2%. That is a huge improvement from losses of $137.7 billion in 2020 and $42.1 billion in 2021.
That's all we have for you in today's edition of the Bottom Line. Stay tuned for more such travel industry updates. Have a great day.